Okay.
You play?
Yeah.
What's going on, y'all? This is a chameleon that I purchased from a local pet store. They said that he was supposed to be sweet, but we named him Salsa, and you're gonna see why we named him Salsa. Take a close look at this. As you see, don't want me to grab him.
Look at those colors.
He's spicy. Now he was attacking me the last couple of days, but now it looks like he got a little bit more comfortable. He might be doing a little bit better here now. He's getting used to us. But they also said that he was a female. They couldn't tell at first. They started brighten up and show us colors. So obviously he's a boy.